Hi, I'm Amy with Feller Roofing, better known as the Roofer Chick. We're doing another project spotlight today, and on this project, the customer initially contacted us. I had actually met her at the Women's Business Alliance, which is part of the Chamber of Commerce, and she asked me to come out. She lives in it was a very simple ranch style home and built back in, I want to say, the 50s. And she wanted to update it and give it a more modern look. Some of her other neighbors in the neighborhood had been updating their homes, and she had been watching and knew what she liked and what she didn't like and asked if we could do it. So the first thing she wanted to do was the front porch had 4 concrete pillars, and that just had a simple fence structure around it. And what she wanted to do was create a grand entrance on the front of the house, and so that it wouldn't look like just a simple gable roof anymore. So our carpenter went out there and ended up building on top of 2 of the posts because we felt like that would still match the home and blend in, but also give her that modern look. The roof was originally shingle, and we went back with a standing seam. The profile that she chose was a pencil rib, which means there's 2 stripes running through the panel. And the reason that you do that, if you use a completely flat panel, then you can see oil canning a lot more clearly, and the pencil ribs, or if you use striations, it kind of tricks your eye and you don't see that so much. And that's especially good if you're doing a re-roof on an older home, because the home often shifts and the deck isn't completely straight like it would be on a new build. So we went back with a standing seam, and she chose galvalume instead of having it painted. And then she decided to put on their 6-inch black gutters to really set the house off. It turned out amazing. It took an older home that was kind of plain and gave it a completely modern look. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next project highlight.